I think we got one. Yep, we got one. Oh. What's up, anglers, and welcome back to another episode. We're up here creek fishing. Got me and Xander today. Got the rest of the family over here, my brother-in-law, some more kids. And we're gonna be trying to catch some channel catfish today, so bass, basically whatever we can get into. Let's hook them. All right, we've already caught a couple, so we're gonna throw this rod back out. We just wanted to see if they were here, and they are here. All right, both rods are out. I'm gonna put this one back. I didn't like where it was at. Guaranteed. All right, we got a couple rods out. We're just bass fishing and channel catfishing today, and we'll see what else bites. We got another one on. This isn't taking long at all in that current out there. Another nice channel. All right. Had another hit right here. I think we got another one on right here. Let me check. Yep, I think we got one. Yep, we got one. This place is full of channels right now. Oh, putting some bend on that. This current's ripping right here. All right, get him in the boat real quick. Alright, double up. Should have bought some more rods. Alright guys, let me show you these fish. Alright guys, we got a little double up. We're gonna get these back and we're gonna keep fishing. Alright guys, we have caught 4 catfish now on the exact same head. This one is the fresh one. So we're just gonna send it back out there. It's still bleeding pretty good. Still got some good color, so we're gonna send it back out there and do it again. All right, that one's out. Let's wait on a bite. Reel.
Pull it out?
Keep reeling. Yeah, you can pull it out now. He might have gotten off. Yep. It's all right, we'll get another one. All right, we'll get another one. All right, let's throw that back out there.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Next time it goes, I'll reel down on it and then you can bring it in. Make sure he gets hooked. I don't like that spot.
What if I get lucky and I get the biggest one so far?
That'd be awesome. Oh.
I'm waiting for you. So
If we get any more goggle eyes, we're gonna keep them. We're running out.
threw one in there.
Did you? Oh, I see him now. I'll put this fresh head on so she can catch one. That's 2 misses now. We got a double hook. Holy two of them caught the same fish. Oh, it's him over there in the boat got the fish. Alright, that's catfish number 5. You guys didn't see the other ones because they were off camera. We didn't know how good it was going to be, but they're on fire. Let him bring that up the boat. Oh, nice healthy channel cat. Alright, let's keep fishing. Alright, might have a little bait fish on, or could be a bass. We'll see.
Who knows?
Alright. Skimming it in on the ultralight, never know what it is. Oh, it is. Little rock bass. Goggle eye. Wherever you're from, they're different. We got enough bait for now. He's going back.
I'm gonna go in the water. You're never gonna see it again.
Alright, we got a fish on. Little one's got one. By a catfish.
Huh?
Haley, you got this. Don't give up.
Oh, it's coming in. Oh, we got a line stuck on there. Alright, you got it all good. There we go. Alright, it's still there. Oh, there it is. We see it. It's coming up. Alright, landed. Nice. Alright guys, we're gonna get this one back in the water.
What kind of catfish is that?
Channel catfish. Alright.
Yeah. See if there's some more.
Alright, going back. Let's get another one. Alright guys, these catfish have been hitting pretty good, so we got some more baits out, fresh bait now. They haven't hit for about 5-10 minutes, so we're gonna try these fresh baits to see if we can get them. Alright, we got fish on. We got fish on, guys. Yep, we just changed positions on it. Alright.
That's a big one.
Alright, nice one.
Reel has to go down.
Nice, doing good.
Go over here, that rod.
Keep it tight, don't let it loose at all. Alright, let me get this rod out of the way. Oh wow, nice. Alright, bring him to the boat. You back up a little bit. I'll bring him in.
I got one.
Bring it here. Oh, nice. Good job.
I want to take a picture.
That's a very, very big channel catfish.
I don't want to hold it. I don't want to touch it.
Xander, you got grips? Flip it. You want to hold it like that? They're very strong. You got it? Alright. Hold on, back up just a little bit so I can get it on camera. Alright guys, there it is. Nice channel cat. Alright. Let's go ahead and get this thing back in the water.
You're gonna be holding the way back.
There you go. Awesome. Alright anglers, that's going to wrap up this quick little episode. Really appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one. Get hooked, anglers.